Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place an order on Nursemates. If you don't have a Nursemates account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Sale. Now, browse the products available. Next, select the product you wish to buy by clicking on it. Once selected, you can customize it by choosing the color, width, and size suitable for you. After that, click on Add to Cart. You can add more products on your cart by repeating the steps. But if you want to buy just one product, you can proceed to checkout by clicking the cart icon at the upper right part of the screen. A drop-down tab will appear. Click on View Cart and check out. Here you will see the items on your cart. To proceed, click on Checkout Now. On this page, enter the shipping address. You can use the current address or add a new one. You could also select the shipping method from the options provided. Then click on Next, Payment. Next, enter the billing address, email and phone number. Also, select the payment method whether by credit card or PayPal. In this video, we chose to pay with our credit card, so we need to provide the credit card number, security code, expiration month and year on the fields provided. Once entered, click on Next, Review Order. Lastly, review the details you've provided. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you place an order on Nursemates. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.